Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I am going to make a short video answering a question that you have left me. In relation to a video I made about the failure of the gasoline pressure regulator. I have more videos about this. I'll leave a link there in this video. Well, the question is, I heard that if you crush this regulator you can get more power. How is this possible? Well, let's see. First you have to understand the gasoline pressure regulator. I would go here, okay. In the gasoline rail, what it does is maintain a stable pressure inside the rail. Of course, the pressure is dictated by the manufacturer, so, if we crush this, what we would do, here it has a spring, okay, a spring a little thicker than this one. I put it as an example. Then, if we crush this, for example we crush this with a press, well, a couple of millimeters. What we will do is compress the spring more, then, by compressing more the spring will have to exert more pressure to putter open this valve, and what we will do, as I say, is increase the pressure inside the rail. Of course, by increasing the pressure inside the rail we will also increase the fuel injection pressure, with which the vehicle, of course, will have more power and it will also spend more. In fact, a few years ago these valves had more pressure bars than now. It also depended on the vehicle. Of course, this was done because the vehicle used more, it also ran more, but it also polluted more. Then, by terms, well, on the issue of anti-pollution, okay. To lower polluting emissions, what was done was that these valves opened earlier, of course, in that way also the vehicle, because it consumes less, of course, but it is true that the vehicle also has less power. Okay, well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful for you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.